Galaxy.
My reign officially started. I'm working so I never see a drought again. I lost what motivated me for a minute through inner turmoil, but I found the list. Haven't let my soul speak in a second. Ooh, that sound was missed. The naysayers God to me. Who allowed them in? How was I backtracking and doubting this? Back and forth between I know I'ma make it. Oh, on amount of shit. The volume of the voices in my head was loud as it gets. Was overwhelmed under conditions I put on myself. Cause I put on myself, scared of accepting help. Had me accepting hell and a lesser health. Came to conclusion it's everything but a fairy tale. Fear couldn't officially start, it was down, pouring up daily. Now we pouring up the curated playlist notifications. Stepping stones that led me to rock bottom, but I'm bolder than most. Lows in control, we're just exposing all the holes in the road. Letting the chips fall, the message I seek. Now all my chips are on me, I make a mess and I eat. Too many wins to count a loss, feel like I'm counting cards. Counting up blessings, there's too many, I can't count them all. Too many counting on me for me to ever count me out. Look at the evidence out of all the acts, who had the loudest crowd? I'm getting DMs saying I'm changing lives, and oddly enough, I haven't met my expectations, but I've already won. Already in somebody's top 5. The game and I lock eyes, they told me I'm still getting started. I gotta be patient, don't worry, I got time. If I try to hurry at stop signs, I'll end up buried with mom crying. I'm working on scoping the journey and not leaving scenes with shells from shots flying. Sacrificing my own body for the greater good of someone else's mind. Through internal trauma resurfacing after plenty years of being set aside. Through the IRS taking every dime from mistakes I made when I was stepping blind. Through my peers and outs and engagements, and every time I felt left behind. Through